Bro, you want us killed or what? Can you just stop barking? Did you see that, bro? I only know what I saw. I went, I saw, I learned my lessons. Bro, just shut up! Just get down, that's not our size. I swang there like I'll deal with you, then was like, oh hell no. You know what? Never mind. Brother, I was just passing by, saying I was just cleaning the car. Sorry for the disturbance, I want no problem. I think I lost one life instantly. You need to know when to give up. Man, I thought it was easy. So he has backup? No wonder. Bruh, that's not our fight, it's not. He got 50 Cent in there.